Alright folks, time to tackle one of the universe's greatest mysteries. What's it expanding into? Will it stop? Could it even pop? And what's gravity? Let's dive into this cosmic curiosity before the universe stretches itself out. First off, what's the universe expanding into? Well, here's the mind-bending part. It's not expanding into anything. The universe doesn't need room to grow because space itself is stretching. Picture it like an infinitely stretchy piece of dough. As the universe expands, it's creating more space in the process. No edge, no border, it's just more and more space-time getting added to the mix. So yeah, the universe is making its own room as it goes, which is pretty efficient if you ask me. So what's driving this whole expansion gig? Enter the mysterious force called dark energy. And no, it's not the villain in a sci-fi movie. Scientists think this strange energy makes up around 70% of the universe. It's basically this invisible force that's pushing everything apart like an overenthusiastic friend stretching out a rubber band. What's wild is, as the universe grows, dark energy seems to get stronger, making the universe expand faster and faster. We don't know much about it, but it's definitely got the universe on the move. So will the universe ever stop expanding? Well, not anytime soon. In fact, because of dark energy, the universe is actually speeding up. Imagine blowing up a balloon, and instead of slowing down, it keeps inflating on its own. It's like dark energy hit the gas pedal and forgot to brake. So yeah, the universe is basically on cruise control with no stop signs in sight. Now, could it pop? Good news, the universe isn't like a birthday balloon. It's not going to burst on us. But there are some wild ideas. One is the Big Rip, where dark energy gets so powerful that it literally tears apart galaxies, stars, and even atoms. Or maybe gravity will eventually pull everything back together in a big crunch. It's like the universe's version of a yo-yo diet. Expand, collapse, repeat. Either way, no need to worry about any cosmic pop happening in our lifetimes. Alright, let's talk about gravity, the invisible force that literally holds everything together. Imagine gravity as the universe's biggest hug. It pulls everything towards everything else. Now, planets are just giant balls of rock, gas, or ice, and when they're forming, gravity pulls all their bits and pieces towards a single point at the center, like a cosmic vacuum cleaner sucking up everything in sight. But gravity doesn't just pull from one direction, it's pulling from all directions equally. So if you were a bit of dust floating out in space, gravity would be tugging on you from the front, back, sides, top, and bottom, all at the same time. The result? All the matter gets packed tightly into a shape that's the most balanced, a sphere. Now don't think planets are perfectly round, oh no. As planets spin, like a top that's a little too caffeinated, they start to bulge out a bit at the equator. So, in reality, planets are more like slightly squished beach balls. That's gravity giving them shape, while their spin is like the universe saying, hey, let's add a little character. To put it simply, gravity's like that friend who always insists on a group hug. It pulls in from every direction, and in the end, you're stuck in a ball-like formation. And thanks to gravity, planets can't be any other shape. Sorry, cubes and triangles, space is a round planet-only club. Fun fact, the observable universe is around 93 billion light-years wide, and it's getting bigger every second. But here's the real kicker. If the universe is expanding and creating more space, what's outside of it? And could dark energy push the universe too far? And even better, what is dark energy? Let me know what you think in the comments, and remember, stay curious and stay Earthwise and otherwise.